and internal setup error occurred. DirectX error fix. Now, if you're having this kind of issue on your computer, what you have to do is you have to reinstall DirectX Runtime Web Installer. So go to your browser and type in DirectX Runtime Web Installer and just click on the first link from Microsoft that you'll be able to see. Then just hit the download button. So once you hit the download button, your download will normally begin automatically, and now you can just click on the start download option. Now just go ahead and then open the exe file, then just go ahead and then run it as an administrator. Now we have to simply set up DirectX. Just click on I accept the agreement, click on the next option. You can choose to install the Bing bar, but I will just uncheck this. Then you can click on next. After that, it will initialize the components, install it, restart the computer, and your issue should likely be fixed. And this way you will be able to fix the DirectX runtime error. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.